Good morning, dear student. I am Manoj sir, your mathematics teacher in Shivraj Singh Children Academy. In a previous lecture, we have learned about the trigonometric ratio and solve the exercise 8.1, question number first, question number second, and today we are going to solve the question number 4. Question number 4, exercise 8.1. What is the question? Given 15 cot A equal to 8, find sin A and sec A. Find sin A and sec A. What is the question? Given 15 cot A equal to 8, find the sin A and sec A. Now student, we solve this question. Solution: given that 15 cot A equal to 8, we draw a figure ABC is the right angle triangle. For angle A, quad A equal to, we know that quad A equal to, in a right angle triangle ABC, P up rough work, this is a rough work. Base upon perpendicular side, base upon perpendicular side, that means B upon P, B upon P, base upon perpendicular side. What is a base? For angle A, base is the AB and perpendicular side is the BC. Here cot A is equal to, cot A equal to base upon perpendicular side, cot A equal to base upon perpendicular side. Here base is the, for angle A, base is the AB and perpendicular side is the BC. This implies that 15 cot A equal to 8. This implies that 15 multiply the value of cot A equal to, the value of cot A equal to AB upon BC, the value of cot A equal to AB upon BC. AB upon BC is equal to 8. This implies that AB upon BC equal to 8 by 15. Here the ratio of the sides AB and BC is the 8:15. Let AB by BC is equal to 8 by 15. Then we consider AB equal to 8K and BC equal to 15K. Let AB by BC equal to 8 by 15. Then we consider the AB equal to 8K and BC equal to 15K. We find the ratio of AB and BC is the 8/15. Okay student, where K is positive numbers, where K is the positive number. Now AB is equal to 8K and BC equal to 15K. Then we find the value of AC. We find the value of AC by using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. This is student, AC square equal to the value of AB equal to 8K square equal to BC equal to 15K square. This implies that AC square equal to 8K square means 64K square plus 15K square means square of the 15 multiply 15, that means 225K square. This implies that AC square equal to 64 plus 225 equal to 4, 5, 9, 6, 2, 8 and 2 K square. This implies that AC equal to square root 289 K square. This implies that AC equal to square root of 289 is 17 K. The value of AC equal to K. Here AB equal to 8K and BC equal to 15K and AC equal to 17K. We find the all trigonometric ratios. Here in this question we find the sin A equal to perpendicular side upon hypotenuse. This implies that sin A equal to what is a perpendicular sides, that means BC. Hypotenuse is the AC. This implies that sin A equal to the value of BC. The value of BC is the 15K and value of AC, the value of AC is the 17K. This implies that sin A equal to 15 upon 17. This is the first answer. Again we find the sec A. Sec A. Here student, sec A is the reciprocal to the cos A, that means hypotenuse upon base. This equal to AC upon AB. This implies that sec A is equal to what is the value of AC? AC is the 17K and the value of AB, the value of AB is the 8K. This equal to 17/8. Your answer is the sec A is the 17/8 and sin A is 15/17. First answer is the sin A equal to 15/17 and next answer is the sec A is equal to 17/8. Now we discuss the next question, question number 7. Okay student, you understand this question? If I given that 15 cot A equal to 8, then find the sin A and sec A. Here we side change 15, then cot A equal to 8 by 15. 8 by 15 that means AB upon BC, cot A is the AB upon BC, then the AB equal to 8K and BC equal to 15K we consider as, where K is the positive numbers. Then we find the value of AC by using the Pythagoras theorem. AC equal to 17K, the value of AC is equal to 17K. Then find the value of sin A. Sin A is the perpendicular side upon hypotenuse, then perpendicular side is the 15K and hypotenuse is the 17K. Then sin A equal to 15/17. Then also find the value of sec A. Sec A is the hypotenuse upon base. The value of hypotenuse is the 17 and base is the 5. Then sec A is equal to 17/5. Okay student, now we discuss the next question, question number 7 of exercise 8.1. What is the question? Question is says that if cot theta equal to 7/8, if cot theta is equal to 7/8, evaluate 1 plus sin theta 1 minus sin theta upon evaluate first part 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Here in this question given that cot theta is equal to 7/8, then we find the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Here student given that the value of cot theta, as a previous question, the value of cot theta, then we find the value of sin theta and cos theta and put in 1, that means 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. We find the value of sin theta and cos theta as a previous question and put in the 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Here student, solution. Our first target is to find the value of the sin theta and cos theta. Given that cot theta equal to 7/8, given that the cot theta equal to 7/8, that means we draw a triangle ABC. Suppose this angle is the theta, then find the value of cot theta. We know that the value of cot theta is the base upon perpendicular side. Base upon perpendicular side. Perpendicular side. Here this implies that cot theta is the, for angle theta, base is the AB and perpendicular side is the BC. This implies that the value of cot theta equal to AB upon BC. This implies that cot theta equal to 7/8. This implies that we put the value of cot theta. The value of cot theta is the AB upon BC equal to 7/8. Let AB equal to 7K and BC equal to 8K. Not a actually value of AB equal to 7 and BC equal to 8. Here the ratio of the AB and BC is the 7/8. Then we take the value AB equal to 7K and BC equal to 8K, where K is the positive numbers. Okay students, and K is the positive numbers. Again we find the value of AC using by Pythagoras theorem. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. This implies that AC square equal to the value of AB. The value of AB is the 7K square plus the value of BC is the 8K. Here K is the positive numbers. K is the positive numbers. Why you take the K is the positive number? Also you take the K is the negative number? No student, because this is a ratio. This is a ratio. This implies that the value of AC square equal to 7K square is the 49K square plus 64K square. AC square equal to 9 and 4 is equal to 13, 4, 6, 10, 1, 11 K square. This implies that AC equal to square root 113 K. The value of AC equal to square root 113 K. Here we put the value of AC equal to 113 K. Now we find the value of sin theta and cos theta and put in 1. Here the value of sin theta is the perpendicular side upon hypotenuse, that means BC upon AC. BC upon AC, the value of BC 8 and the value of AC square root 113 K, that means 8 by square root 113. And similarly we find the cos theta. The value of cos theta is the base upon hypotenuse, that means AB upon AC. What is the value of AB? 7K and value of AC square root 113 K. And finally get the value of cos theta is the 7 upon square root 113. Here sin theta is 8 by square root 113 and cos theta is the 7 upon square root 113. Put in 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay student, we put the value of sin theta and cos theta in this. 1 plus the value of sin theta 8 upon square root 113. 1 minus 8 upon square root 113 upon 1 plus 7 upon square root 113. 1 minus 7 upon square root 113. This implies that 113 plus 8 square root 113 minus 8 upon square root 113 plus 7 square root 113 minus 7. Here student, we solve this. We multiply 1 and the denominator of this square root 113 is denominator of this 1 upon square root 113 and denominator of 1 plus 7 upon 1 square root 113 is the square root 113 and denominator of this square root 113 will be cancelled and finally we get the value of this is the this. Now we using formula a plus b, a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. Using this formula we can solve it. 113 minus 8 square upon 113 minus 7 square. Okay student, this implies that the square of square root 113 is the 113. 113 minus 64 upon 113 minus 7. This implies that 13 minus 4 equal to 9 and 10 4 upon 7 square of 7 is the 49. Square of 7 is the 49 and 13 minus 4 is the 4 and 10 4 6. We find the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is the 49 upon 64. 49 upon 64. This is your answer. Let us move the question number 8. If a 3 cot A equal to 4, if 3 cot theta, if a 3 cot A equal to 4, if a 3 cot A equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A, 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. If 3 cot A equal to 4, here if 3 cot A equal to 4, then check whether the 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square equal to cos square A minus sin square A. In a previous lecture, we have discussed the 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. The value of 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, the value of this equal to cot square theta. We observed that because our both part 1 and part 2 answer will be same. Here we observed that the value of 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. This is a right or wrong. For this question, we find the value of 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. We find the value of separately 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. And again, we find the value of cos square a minus sin square a. If these are equal, then we can say that this is a right. If these are not equal, then we can say that this is a wrong. Okay, students? Our question is a says, if solution, if quad a equal to 3 quad a equal to 4, this implies that quad a equal to 4 by 3. We draw a figure A, B, C for angle A. Quad A equal to students, base upon perpendicular. You know that here base is the AB and perpendicular side is the BC. Quad A equal to AB upon BC. Okay, student? We put the value of cot A, AB upon BC equal to 4 by 3. Let AB equal to 4K and BC equal to 3K, where K is the positive numbers, where K is the positive numbers. Okay, student? Where K is the positive number. We find the value of AC. We find the value of AC using Pythagoras theorem. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square equal to the value of AB. The value of AB equal to 4K and the value of BC equal to 3K. We put the value of AB and BC, 4K square plus 3K square. AC square equal to 16K plus 9K, 16K square plus 9K square. AC square equal to 25K square. This implies that AC equal to 5K. The value of AC equal to 5K. Okay, student? Now we find the value of 1 tan A and sin A and cos A. The value of tan A equal to perpendicular side upon base. Perpendicular side upon base. What is a perpendicular side? BC. And base is the AB. The value of BC equal to 3K and the value of AC equal to 4K. This gives tan A equal to 3 by 4. Again we find the value of sin A. The value of sin A equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is a perpendicular sides? BC upon hypotenuse is the AC. This equal to BC, the value of BC 3K, hypotenuse is the 5K. 5K. This gives the value sin A equal to 3 by 5. Again, similarly way, cos A equal to 4 by 5. Cos A equal to 4 by 5. Cos A equal to AB upon AC. AB upon AC. Okay, students? Now we find the value of first 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square a. This equal to, put here value of tan a, tan equal to 3 by 4, 1 minus 3 by 4 square upon 1 plus 3 by 4 square. This gives the value 1 minus 9 upon 16, 1 plus 9 upon 16. This equal to 16 minus 9 upon 16, and 16 plus 9 upon 16, 16 will be cancelled, and here we find the value 16 minus 9 is the 7 upon 16 plus 9 is the 25. Then value of 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a equal to 7 by 25. Again we find the value of second part, cos square a minus sin square a. What is the value of cos a? 4 by 5. Here 4 by 5 square minus 3 by 5 square. The value of sin square a equal to 3 by 5. Then we find the value of 16 upon 25 minus 9 upon 25. This gives the value 16 minus 9 upon 25 is equal to 7 by 25. 7 by 25. The value of 1 is the 7 by 25 and the value of second is the 7 by 25. Here we finally says that hence 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a is equal to 7 by 25. That means question says that check whether 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a equal to cos square a minus sin square a. This is a right. Your answer is the S. This is a right.